even if the camera wasn't on her or she was not in the frame, she used to give her cues to the point. If she had to cry, she will cry, even if the camera is not on her. All of us have to change somewhere to get this change in the industry, whether it's media or the audience.
Hi, Sania Malhotra. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Hi, Imran. How are
How are you
you?
doing?
I'm good. I'm very good.
All right, so I saw the trailer of Shakuntala Devi, all right. I really liked the trailer and I like the chemistry between you and Vidya ma'am. It's really amazing. Daughter and, mother, it was on point. You tell me, how's the reaction so far from the trailer and how excited are you for this one?
I'm very excited. It's releasing tomorrow. So right now I have butterflies in my tummy. Like I have all sort of emotions going on in my body right now. So I'm nervous, I'm happy, I'm excited, and I'm a tad bit anxious. Kal tak aur ho jaungi, but right now I'm tad bit anxious. But for the trailer, people really liked it. Some of them didn't recognize me at all with straight hair, which was like very good. As an actor, I was really happy that people can't recognize me, but at the same time it's also bad if they can't recognize me, then they don't know who I am. So
All
there
right,
too it was, yeah, there too there were a lot of like mixed emotions, but yeah, I'm very excited. Let's see what happens tomorrow.
all right. Okay, talking about on the set, I'm really intrigued to know, like, what is the energy like when you're around Vidya ma'am on the set? What is the energy like around, and how calm or nervous are you when she's around you, or when the shot is on? What was it like?
When the shot is on, then she's not Vidya Balan for me, then she's Shakuntala Devi. But offset, not in front of the camera, I was really nervous around her because I was nervous and I was very worried that Sanya, chup rehna, don't make a fool of yourself in front of Vidya Balan. तो वो थोड़ा I was like walking on a thin line कि अभी मैंने कुछ बोल दिया और विद्या will think कि oh my god, such an idiot. So to avoid that situation, I used to not talk at all, and this happened for like good 3-4 days. And for the first meeting, like the first meeting was for a script reading, and I was inaudible throughout. They couldn't like hear a single dialogue coming out of my mouth because I was awestruck. I was so starstruck looking at Vidya Balan. एक तो मैं विद्या जी के घर पर थी, and she was reading the script so beautifully. Like the words coming out of her mouth were like, वाह क्या dialogue है, वाह कैसे बोला है, वाह विद्या क्या दिख रही है. The whole time I was like this only, and I was inaudible throughout. The whole time Anu and Vidya was saying कि Sanya please थोड़ा tone बढ़ा दो volume का, we can't hear you properly. But third day of the shoot, the ice broke, and thanks to Vidya, that she broke the ice by saying ki Sanya, you don't talk a lot. I love talking. And just being around her because she has such a good energy. She has such a witty sense of humor. You just cannot be in that serious mode all the
Right.
time.
All right. So tell me, when you work with such veteran actors or such respected actors, we tend to take some things from them. We tend to take some things and use it in our daily life or use it in our career. You know,
Hmm.
was there
Hmm.
anything that you took from her and you still have it with you and you'll be using it in future? Anything like that?
Yeah, definitely. Vidya is a brilliant co-actor to work with. She is she is a like brilliant actor. We all know that. But as a co-actor, she is so giving, and she was present throughout, not only for me, for all the other actors that she worked with on the film. Even if the camera wasn't on her or she was not in the frame, she used to give her cues to the point. If she had to cry, she will cry, even if the camera is not on her. So that is something that I admire a lot in my co-actors, and Vidya was one of them. I was like, ah, thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, because that helps a lot, because acting is reacting. When
Right.
your other co-actor is not there fully, you just get to know that.
Mhm.
And then you, for the second take, you have to say कि ये तो this one is not concentrating, तो अभी तुम्हें ही अपना खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. But
Mhm.
that never happened with Vidya, and that is something that I will always remember. Like I'll try and be a good actor, but I will also be a good co-actor to my other actors that are performing
All
with
right.
me. Wow. All of a sudden बात करना भूल गई थी मैं 2 सेकंड के लिए. Yes, let me take a breather now. Yeah.
No, but seriously, well said actually. But I also wanted to ask you one more thing. Since the OT is booming right now, I want and you started a career with theater, right? Now your movie has
Hmm.
been releasing on on OTT platform.
Huh.
Like
I've
we're
never
getting what I'm
done
trying to say.
theater. Huh.
Okay, so with the OTT boom right now, what do you think is the aftermath of the aftermath of pandemic like this? Do you think cinema and OTT will coexist, or OTT is gonna play on the front foot and cinema is gonna be on the back foot, something like that? What do you think about
I think for now, because of the safety reasons, it's better that, like, as an actor, I'm really happy that during the pandemic also I'm getting to entertain the audience. But I think they will coexist. Like the it's something special to stay at home and watch a film like around the family, but also theater has its own magic. Definitely, I think after the pandemic, when things get fine, it will definitely coexist.
Sunny, you've been in the industry for quite some time now, and our industry is right now divided into a lot of things right now. And the major debate is going on is was outsider and insider debate, right? A lot of young actors are confused outside who are still struggling to become an actor, and they don't know the situation in the industry right now, what's going on. So tell me, where do
Hmm.
you stand on this outsider versus insider debate, and what is this actually about?
Yeah, I think things are changing in the industry. Like Dangal was a good example for that. I had like no connection whatsoever, but I got that particular role only on the basis of like audition. It was completely on merit.
Hmm.
But things are changing. People are auditioning. People are also writing scripts, which requires fresh face, new faces. So the change is happening. But at the same time, I would not say that other people are not going through something. Like I know a lot of my friends who have done a film or two, but they're all also waiting for their next big uh, opportunity that will put them out there. So it's a very mixed feeling, but I think everything, like all of us have to change somewhere to get this change in the industry, whether it's media or the audience. We have to give that equal amount of love and the equal amount of focus for a newcomer's movie who's not from the industry and somebody who's in from the industry. You know what I'm saying? Ki, matlab equal amount of focus and coverage for those films also. Like when we start, we have to celebrate good performances and good films and good scripts before anything. मतलब ये तो माइंड से निकालना पड़ेगा कि mediocrity तो हटा दो अपने दिमाग से, क्योंकि we celebrate mediocrity also, but we need to celebrate good performances as well,
Right.
and that change needs to happen.
All right. Well said. Yeah, well said. And I can see the changes happening, and it will soon happen, and it will gradually increase. I
Hmm.
have a few lockdown questions for you, Sania. These are some social media questions where people are asking what celebs are up to during the lockdown. All right. So the first question that I regularly get is like, if you had a choice to choose a lockdown partner, and it has to be a celeb, all right? Who would you choose as a lockdown partner, and why?
Ayyo. I love living alone. I don't want to live with anyone. नहीं. And that too a celebrity. मतलब एक तो actors तो मतलब पागल होते हैं थोड़े. मैं हूँ. और फिर किसी और के साथ रह लो तो नहीं. Thank you. Sorry, I
But
can't.
hypothetical situation taken, if you want to choose someone to choose like as a partner for lockdown,
I think maybe Tabu.
Tabu ma'am?
हाँ, then I can like get all the information कि वो कैसे prep करती हैं, क्या खाती हैं, इतनी अच्छी acting कैसे कर लेती हैं. Maybe
Okay.
Tabu ma'am.
All right. Tell me, what shows are you currently binge watching, and you recommend your fans to go ahead and watch those?
I'm not watching anything, but in the starting of the lockdown, I finished Fleabag and Patal Lok is very good. So these two I would recommend. Do watch it.
All right. Okay. So they say we make a habit or break a habit in 21 days, but we're in lockdown for more than 100 days now. So did you make any habit or broken any habit during this time?
हाँ, मतलब broken a habit of getting up early, which is not good. I
Okay.
used to like sleep early and then get up early. अब तो पता नहीं कब नींद आती है और कब मैं उठती हूँ. But वो तो मतलब अब मैं भूल भी गई हूँ कि मैं सुबह उठती भी थी टाइम पर. I think I've been meditating a lot.
All right.
So that's a good thing that I've like incorporated now. तो अब रोज करती हूँ मैं अपनी sanity के लिए पूजा पाठ पूजा.
Okay, another thing, since we all are locked in at home right now, all the things that we are doing it by ourselves, right? So tell me, which is the thing that you like to do or hate to do? Jhadu, pocha, bartan, katka, everything included. What do you
I
like the
love
most?
झाड़ू. I love झाड़ू पोछा कटका, कपड़े धोना, खाना बनाना. I love it. और मैं तो मतलब मैं सुबह सफाई करती हूँ, फिर मैं रात को सोने से पहले भी सफाई करती हूँ. तो मेरे घर वाले भी परेशान हैं क्योंकि मैं दो महीने I was there in Bombay alone, and then I was lucky enough that I got this opportunity that I came back home. पर वो मुझसे परेशान है क्योंकि मैं पूरा टाइम सफाई करती रहती हूँ. फिर मैं I'm like Monica from Friends. I'm like
Okay.
major OCD. तो पूरा टाइम मैं ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ कर रही होती हूँ बैठ के. पर I love doing all of that.
You're the first celeb who's saying all this, because everyone I ask this question, they're like, yeah, I hate jhadu, I hate pocha. I'm glad
I
I
love
asked this
it.
question.
I love it. मैं तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के घर भी जाती हूँ तो मैं वहाँ पे भी सफाई करने लग जाती हूँ.
Oh, wow.
I have this major OCD. इमरान मुझे लगा तुम बोलोगे मेरे घर भी आ जाओ.
मैं बस बोलने ही वाला था. But yeah, very sweet, very sweet. Okay, tell me, Sani, what's happening next?
Ludo.
All right.
Ludo is next. But Shakuntala Devi is releasing tomorrow, and बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. Like I'm very nervous right now.
No, but I
I'm
think so.
very
The trailer is looking very promising, and the movie is also going to be promising because such talented actors are in it. Best of luck, yeah.
Fingers
Best
crossed.
of luck.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Imran. It was
I'll see
lovely
you soon.
talking to you.
Same here.
Bye. Take care. सफाई कर लेना.
All right.